wait na natin si Josh. Dito na tayo sa Alabang West Parade. Dito yung Kasayan Gym. So, yun yung tatry natin today.
Okay guys, so dito voice over muna tayo during our workouts para ma-explain ko rin sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga details ng workout ko and kung gaano kaganda tong Kasayan Gym na to. So today we have a volume post deadlifts and top set is by 3. Tapos ayan, nag-back off ako ng 180 kg, 3 sets of 5. And pagdating dito sa workout na to, kahit nakakat ako or kahit bodybuilding prep, I always incorporate my powerlifting lifts kasi ayaw ko sila mapag-iwanan when it comes to strength. Okay, second exercise is cable crossovers, 2 sets of 10, followed by close grip pull downs 2 by 10. So, ang split ko ngayon, guys, is deadlift, post, plus upper body. Next, moving on sa shoulders tayo, cable side raises, 2 by 10, and then bicep curls 2 by 10. So ito lang, ganito lang kabilis yung workout natin for today, and then yeah.
Okay, now just a quick physique update. We are currently 12 and 20 weeks out from our first bodybuilding show. Currently 68 kg. Medyo lean na tayo kasi nag-start talaga ako mag-cut last year pa with a lifestyle cut. And honestly, ngayon lang natin na pag-decide na mag-compete since nandito na rin naman tayo, nakakapag-diet na tayo, why not go to the next level? Makita or ma-bring out ko yung best physique na ma-achieve ko sa sarili ko naturally. But I know for sure this bodybuilding prep won't be easy kasi ibang level ang bodybuilding sa lifestyle cut.
And then after gym, nagkita kami ni Cha. Ayun, box chicken agad, refeed. So, malayo-layo pa naman kaya nakapag-refeed pa ako, and then medyo lean na rin naman tayo. So yan, sakto, sinasakto pag may mga labas kami na ganito, sinusulit ko yung refeed, although pasok pa rin naman sa macros, yun yung importante. Then the next day, Sunday, punta kami ng Pampanga sa work due to training. So 1 week ako dito sa Pampanga dahil nga may training kami sa Singapore Airlines, and this is quite challenge for me since naka-prep tayo.
So kapag may mga ganitong out of town trips or work training, naghahanap talaga ako ng mapag-gyman or mapag-trainingan para di tayo makapag-skip. So katulad nito, may Anytime Fitness dito. Good thing nag-guest tayo for this time, and naghanap rin tayo actually ng bakal gym dito sa mga tropa natin dyan sa Pampanga. Tapos quick physique update. We are around 67 to 65 kg after a refeed din tsaka depletion weight. Tuloy-tuloy lang. So pagbalik sa training, day 3, 4, and 5, marami kami natutunan, of course, lots of activity. Thank you sa PhilScan Tribe. Now, going back sa topic, paano ko nga ba na ma-manage yung nutrition kapag ganito mga out of town or training? So I always prep my meals ahead, especially kapag walang lutuan yung mga tutuluyan namin. Niluluto ko na to sa bahay, mga tuna, chicken, and i-stock ko na lang sa tutuluyan. Kasi nakakatulong siya since track natin lahat ito. Meron tayong structure. Kasi having a structure means less margin of error, especially kapag naka-prep tayo. For the last part, ayun, nag-samgyup kami with my co-workers kasi celebration nga. Portion control naman tayo doon. After that, biyahe tayo pabalik. Galing Pampanga, Pasay, then Cavite. So, I am Kurt, and join me sa quest for my first ever bodybuilding show. And this is my starting point. From September, first cut up until March, and then April, this was my progress, around 74 kg. And then pagpasok ng May, quite leaner after mga couple free feeds and diet breaks. Pero nag-intense na rin yung cardio natin dito. And this is my current physique. July 2025. So I am around 68 kg.